Alright guys, so I finally got my hands on the WD_Black SN850 NVMe SSD with heatsink, specifically designed for the PS5. And let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. I also grabbed the DualSense charging station, so I'll cover that too. First off, installing the SN850 was ridiculously easy. Pop open the PS5's expansion slot, slide the SSD in, screw it down, and boom, you're done. The built-in heatsink is a huge plus, meaning you don't have to mess around with installing one separately. Now let's talk speed. This is a PCIe Gen 4 drive, boasting read speeds up to 7,000 megabytes. In real-world terms, that means lightning-fast load times. I'm talking jumping into games like Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and Ratchet and Clank. Rift apart practically instantly. No more staring at loading screens, which is a huge win in my book. The 1TB version I got gives me a ton of extra space for my ever-growing game library. I've got like 50 games installed now, and still have room to spare. It's officially licensed for PS5, so you know it's going to work perfectly. If you're tired of constantly deleting games to make space, this is the solution. Now, onto the DualSense charging station. This little guy is super convenient. It can charge 2 controllers simultaneously, and it's just as fast as plugging them directly into the PS5. The click-in design is really slick. The controllers just snap right into place. It also frees up valuable USB ports on the console, which is always a good thing. I used to have cables everywhere, but now my setup looks much cleaner. Plus, it just looks cool sitting next to the PS5. So, is this combo worth it? Absolutely. The WD_Black SN850 is a must-have for any PS5 owner looking to upgrade their storage and drastically reduce load times. And the DualSense charging station is the perfect companion, keeping your controllers topped up and your setup tidy. If you're on the fence, just pull the trigger. You won't regret it. This is a serious quality of life improvement for your PS5 gaming experience. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.